Hey, Ron Musgraves, Pressure Washing Window Cleaning Institute. Just wanted to talk to you today about how I hook these hoses together. I don't use quick couplers. This is a solid connection here that's crimped onto the hose. That's one piece, as you can see right there. They're JIC fittings. This is the male. This is also a swivel. If you can see right here, it twists as I can demonstrate right there with that. You can see that twisting. That way you could actually screw this connection into this piece very easily. I don't like using unions until I get to, actually I don't use unions. I like using quick couplers, but only on the end of the hose to use on the gun. I don't like using these. These usually will slide right in to the hose reel, and then this right here will either slide into another JIC fitting like this. No unions. Unions are bad in my opinion, because when you're out there in the field, they're always trouble to get off, and it's very difficult. These JIC fittings here, this material here doesn't corrode. I don't know what kind of material that is, but it doesn't corrode. I mean, they're made not to corrode, to where you see the unions usually are steel, and they'll usually corrode on there, and you can't get them off. A lot of guys say use the stainless couplers. You know, you can use stainless couplers. Probably your better option after this. And then, like I said, I stay away from unions altogether. I just don't like them. I do use quick couplers, like I said, only at the end where the gun goes on or the surface cleaner connects, and that's only for you know, quick access purposes, because obviously you wouldn't want to screw something hardwired into an item and then have to unscrew it every time you needed to switch. So obviously their quick coupler makes sense. Been using these for quite a long time. It works great. I didn't use them when I first started. One too many calls with those unions frozen and guys not being able to continue because they couldn't get a hose that was bad off or hooked up to the machine. And 9 times out of 10, you get frustrated and you'd have to go take them out a new one, and we just prevent this now from happening by using this method. I do want to say that most of the time I run a 200-foot length off the hose brand new, and there are no connections from the hose reel to the gun unless the hose fails, and then obviously we replace it with this and reconnect those two pieces to endure the rest of the life of the hose. Ron Musgraves, Pressure Washing Window Cleaning Institute, out.